Lesson 10.1, orders of operation. So we're going to look at this equation today, and we're going to look at two ways to solve this equation. There's a right way and there's a wrong way. So when you're looking at 15 plus 12 divided by 3 plus 5, most of us kind of want to read it left to right, and they want to solve it that way. But unfortunately, that's not the order in which we do things. So we actually do things based on a pyramid, and we work our way down the pyramid. So at the top of the pyramid is going to be parentheses or brackets. In the middle, you're going to have multiplying and dividing. And then at the bottom, you're going to have adding and subtracting. And we want to work our way down. And every time we do a step, we want to rewrite it, and we want to go back to the top and work our way down. So our first step is going to be parentheses or brackets, and you see we have none of those there. So that means we're going to do multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. Well, in this case, we only have division, so that's going to be the step we do first. We always want to make what's called a caret to kind of show what it is that we're working on. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then we're going to rewrite the rest of the equation. So 15 plus, because that's over here, and then plus 5. Now again, we start back at the top, no parentheses, no multiplication or division, adding and subtraction. There's two adding, so we just work our way from left to right. So 15 plus 4 is 19, bring down that 5. 19 plus 5 is 24, so 24 is our answer. Now let's look at if we hadn't done it the correct way. So the way I'm about to show you is the wrong way. This is correct. So the wrong way would be to do it from left to right, and let's kind of see what answer we would get then. So if I did 15 plus 12, that gives me 27. And then I would do 27 divided by 3, and that would give me 9. And then 9 plus 5 is 14. So look at that difference. 24 and 14, those are very, very different. So we want to make sure that we're following this pyramid at all times. So let's start here. Right now we're just going to name the operation you do first. So go ahead and look at number 1. What do you think we're going to do first? We're going to do the division first. Good. What about number 2? Multiply first, because even though there's multiplication and division, it's whichever one comes first. What are we going to do first here? We're going to do parentheses first. Good. What about 4? We're going to do the first parentheses first, because when there's more than one, we go from left to right. And what about 5? We go left to right. We're going to divide first. Okay? So we're going to practice using it to find the value. So anytime you hear the word value, that's the answer. So we're on lesson 10.1, and we're going to start with number 8. It says 3 plus 7 times 6 divided by 3 minus 4. I'm going to draw my pyramid up here to help me remind myself of what I'm doing. So I'm looking, I don't see any parentheses. Oh, I see a multiplication. All right, so 7 times 6 is 42. So now I'm going to rewrite. Back to the top. No parentheses, multiplication or division. Oh, there's a division. 42 divided by 3 is 14. And if you didn't know that, you come over to the side and you could do the division. No parentheses, no multiplication or division, adding and subtracting. There's both. We start from left to right. That gives me 17 minus 4. And then finally, 17 minus 4 gives us 13. So it's just working down that pyramid. All right, let's try one more. I want to try 18. That's 4 times 3 minus 2 plus 18. All right, so parentheses are first, so 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring everything down. Once I'm done with my parentheses, I do not have to bring them down anymore. Then it's multiplication, then it's adding. Okay, I do actually want to do one more. I want to do 16. So 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 5. Again, parentheses are first, and this parentheses comes first. Parentheses come first. And then you can solve your 7 times 8, which is 56. And I always like to circle my answers at the bottom so that I know, and always use your carets and rewrite as you go down.